Well, Dermatologist Dr. Jeanine Downie is here, and she has the top reasons why men should pamper their skin. And if they're not going to do it for themselves, ladies, make them do it for us. Right, Dr. Downie?
Yeah, it's all about us after all.
Yeah, exactly. Well, a lot of men think that it takes a lot of time and effort to really pamper themselves, but really it doesn't.
Here's the bottom line. Socially, in terms of looking well, and job-wise, in terms of looking well, it's really important. So it's simple things. It's splashing on a refreshing toner. It's using an eye cream. This is like a men's eye cream that I said that they could use because I don't want them to feel fancy and put something pink on because they won't like that at all.
Or something florally.
Right,
you know,
no, they can't do that. In terms of sunblock, men are notoriously bad with wearing sunblock. And
I fight with my husband on this every time we spend a day in the sun. He will not put it on unless I'm literally chasing him trying to put it on.
Men have to put it on. This is a 70, it's for the face, it's an Aveeno product, it's not sticky, it won't feel like he has makeup on. Put it on, reapply it. Men get tons of skin cancers, it helps them wrinkle less and get less skin cancer. It's important. Men need to exercise.
Hey, if we got to do
it. In terms of
anti-aging,
that pot belly rocking is not cute. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to have to pick up your tummy to wash your leg. No, thank you. So they need to exercise. Jumping rope is simple. It's something they can do when they travel if they don't have time to take a run or go to the gym. Just pack a jump rope. It's really easy. Moisturizing your face, just slather on a nice moisturizer every day. This one has SPF in it because I want to get the message through that men need SPF. So every single day.
How can women convince their husbands if they don't think they need something like this to moisturize every single morning? How can you, what do you tell your husband?
You put it by their razor and their toothpaste. Just put the Vivite right next to both of those things and say, honey, you're doing this for me, and then compliment them on how they look when they do it. And when they don't do it, tell them their skin looks dry.
Men like compliments just like we do.
Right. The #1 cosmetic procedure in my office that men do a lot for their razor bumps and for even skin tone are chemical peels. Either this product, the Skin Medica Vitalized Peel product, or the Theraplex product. They both work great.
What will this do for their skin?
Evens out their skin tone, helps with texture, helps with breakouts, helps with razor bumps, and helps with fine lines and wrinkles. So
should men be embarrassed that they're getting these things done?
No,
I think it's still kind of hard for some men to accept, like that they're doing these beauty
There's doctor-patient confidentiality, so I don't tell anybody about my men that come into the office that do their procedures because it's all confidential, so it's no big deal.
No one will ever know. Okay, what about Botox?
Botox has had a 9% increase from 2009 to 2010. So men don't like their 11s here. I see a lot of judges, I see a lot of politicians, and I just see men who want to look more viable in this really tough job market. Yeah. It really helps it on Botox right now so that you don't look angry. It's awesome. It helps your 11s. So
okay, some men like looking angry, but you know,
but most don't.
Happier,
yeah, most don't. Yeah. And then, you know, a nice cleanser. You know, get an alpha hydroxy acid cleanser. Use the Nivea. Use the Lever. The bottom line is that men use all these really deodorant, harsh cleansers on their face. It strips their skin, makes them look old.
I think a lot of men think since they don't wear makeup and stuff the way we do, they don't need to really cleanse their face. They can just use bar soap. But that's not true.
And that's not true. The Lever I like for the body. The Nivea is a good one for the face, and also the alpha hydroxy acids. And the last thing is, like we said at the beginning, they should do this for us. We love men that have great skin and a confident look about them. So if you can't do it for yourself, do it for the ladies. That's always a good reason.
I like that. Thank you, Dr. Downie.
You're so welcome.
See, we took care of our men today for once, right?
Took care of our men.